Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary and Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is There's a Card Thursday, and this is the card we're going to be making today. I love this card. What we're going to be using is, I'm going to be using Peaceful Moments, but you can use any saying set that you want. For ink, I am just going to be using Memento Black. For cardstock, I'm using Pacific Point, oops, get those out of there, 8.5 by 5.5. I've already cut it out, a piece of Seaside Spray. This is maybe about 2 by 3 inches. Then I am using a piece of silver foil. This is 2 by 4 inches, and I've already run it through the Stampin' Cut machine. And I'll show you which folder it is. We are using Snowflake Splendor. This is a piece 3 inches by 4 inches. For doodads, we are using rhinestones, the basic rhinestones, 2 of each size. And then we're using my new favorite ribbon. We're using the metallic ribbon that's in the August to December catalog. Love it, just love it. We are, of course, also going to be using, where's my glue dots? There's my glue dots and my stamping dimensionals right here. We are using the Stamp, Cut, and Emboss machine, and we are using the Evergreen Forest 3D embossing folder. That's what gives you this. Okay, I've already run that through. So what I am going to do is I am just going to attach this to the far left on the Pacific Point. Just love how this looks in silver. I bet you it would look good in gold too, but just love how it looks. Okay, then I'm taking the Snowflake Splendor, and I'm attaching that piece on the right-hand side. I've just got about 1/8 of an inch around there. I mean, this is a fairly simple card. It's not that hard to make. And I'm just going to put that right there. What I am trying to do is I'm trying to leave a little space between these two objects, the silver foil and the Snowflake Splendor. And that's where I am going to take and what I did was I put the big ones, then the middle one, then the medium-sized ones, and then the small ones. Just want a little bling on this because of the silver in the metallic ribbon. I mean, this is going to be a blingy card. Now, if you want, you can do this a little bit better. You know, you can measure it, but you know, I ain't measuring it. There you go for that. Isn't that cool? Then I'm just going to take my memento and my thank you. Oh, I used the Timeless Label Punch for this one. Actually, I used it a little while ago and punched a bunch of these seaside things out. So now better cut some more off of here. You use all of your dimensionals, right? Don't throw those away, right? Use them, cut them up. Use them all. Frugality. Cheapskate. My daughters call me. Why would you just throw them all? No, they got good stuff on them. Can tell who raised me, my mother. There, just putting that on the bottom. Then I'm taking this beautiful ribbon. metallic ribbon. Where's the half? I'm taking 2 bunny ears, right like that. It's hard to see, it isn't. I'm just tying a knot in this and making a bow. So you can do it how you want. I don't want it that big. Maybe a little smaller than that. That looks good enough. And just take the hardest part is cutting this stuff. Okay, then I'm taking my glue dots. Remember, when you put ribbon on and you're using glue dots, make sure you have at least 2 glue dots so it doesn't turn over. And go, not upside down, but sideways. And I'm just putting that to the front. And there you have it. Remember to follow me on YouTube, and I really would appreciate it if you like all my videos, that you purchase your Stampin' Up! Products. Everything to make this is listed down below, and you can find me at marytroutner.stampinup.net. Thanks for visiting, and happy stamping. Bye-bye.